Hello guys and welcome to a new brand video, and today I'm going to show you how to unblock your video in the Google Meet web application. So the first thing to do is to access your Google Meet account, and to do so, if you are going to go to your Google Chrome browser and search for these Google apps, because you are going to find it here in the browser, or you can click here on your profile and search for manage your Google account. You click on the manage Google account and you will find this Google apps icon. You search for Meet, and then it will take you to the Google Meet application. Otherwise, if you are using a different web browser, you can just search for Google Meet in the browser, and then it will take you to the link of it. And of course, then you will be able to connect to your Google Meet account by entering your Google informations or your Google username, etc. And all it remains to do now is to follow these simple steps. So the first step is to start a meeting or join one, and so I'm going to click on this blue button to start an instant meeting, and I'm going to click on this button, and basically now I'm starting the meeting. And basically, to unblock your camera, if you have it already blocked, you will need to go to your browser settings here, and as you can see, there is a camera icon. You can find it either here or it can show here, depends on the browser that you are using. And basically you need to click on it, and of course you will need to have to allow the access to this website to use your devices, because if you are going to block these devices, as you can see, I cannot turn on the camera or the microphone. So basically I'm going just to continue allowing the access, and now I will be you will need to be able to turn off. So I'm going just to refresh, and as you can see, it's still blocked. So I'm going to click on done and join now, and basically it should be unblocked. And as you can see, you need just to wait a little bit so it can refresh the settings, etc. And as you can see now, I can turn off and turn on my camera however I want. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.